Huda says, I recently read that hot boiling water should not be poured down the drainage pipes in the toilets or sinks in the kitchen because jinn live in toilets and that can harm or kill them. Is there evidence for this from a hadith? Because pipes get blocked and people use hot water sometimes to open them. Is there any authentic hadith? The answer is not that I know of. There is a hadith where we are prohibited from urinating in cracks in the ground or holes in the ground, and some attribute the death of Sa'd ibn Ka'b, may Allah be pleased with him, to that. And there is a well-known story in the seerah, and that the jinn had killed him because of what he had done. But pouring boiled water in such holes or sinks or drainage to open it, a number of scholars from the Salaf stated that one should not do this without saying Bismillah, in order to warn if there are any jinn inhabiting that area. And saying Bismillah before everything is something that is highly recommended. And I believe Ibn Taymiyyah and others also mentioned this fact, that saying Bismillah before pouring hot water is recommended and something that people should do to avoid harming the jinn. Because the jinn do get harmed by such things, as the Salaf have stories, but they are not hadiths. So it is best to be safe rather than to be sorry. There is no problem in unblocking blocked drainage systems by pouring boiling water or hot water in it, providing that you say Bismillah in the beginning.